In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Meta AI on Messenger. As it stands, Meta does not offer a complete way to disable or remove Meta AI from Facebook. This feature is woven into Facebook's search, recommendations, and some messaging experiences. There isn't a universal off switch for it. However, you can certainly limit your interactions with it, and that's what we'll focus on today. Let's start by discussing how you can hide or mute the Meta AI chat in Messenger. If you encounter a Meta AI chat in your Messenger app, you have several options to handle it. Open Messenger and find the Meta AI conversation. Once you've located it, press and hold the chat if you're on a mobile device, or if you're using the web version, click the three-dot menu. From the menu that appears, you can select Archive, Mute, or Delete Chat. This will remove the conversation from your chat list. Do keep in mind, this action does not disable Meta AI across the entire Facebook platform. It simply minimizes its presence in your Messenger. Next up, let's talk about disconnecting Meta AI from your private threads. If you feel the AI is reading or offering suggestions inside your conversations, you can restrict its permissions on a thread-by-thread basis. Open a conversation with a friend or a group chat. Tap the profile picture or group name displayed prominently at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you find Message Permissions or Advanced Chat Privacy. Here, you'll locate the toggle for Allow Message Sharing. This setting feeds contextual data to the AI model. Turn it off to restrict its access to your conversation data. This step is crucial because it helps protect your privacy and ensures that your personal conversations are not used for AI suggestions. Moving forward, you can clear stored AI data using specific chat commands. If you've interacted with Meta AI in the past and want to wipe its contextual memory, there's a hidden command you can use. Open or start a chat with the Meta AI chatbot. In the chat, type exactly /reset-all-AIs and then press send. This command tells Meta's servers to erase the AI's copy of your past interactions and saved preferences. Essentially, it resets its tracking data back to zero. This is an important step if you're concerned about your data history with the AI. It's crucial to note that at this time, you cannot fully turn off Meta AI on Facebook. There is no account-wide setting that removes it from the platform entirely. Understanding this limitation is important so you can set realistic expectations while using Facebook and Messenger. By following these steps, you can significantly limit your interactions with Meta AI on Messenger. While it's not a complete removal, these actions will help you gain more control over what data is shared and how often you encounter the AI in your daily use. Remember, these changes are about enhancing your privacy and tailoring your experience to suit your preferences better. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these steps have been clear and helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care and stay informed.